Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add a link in an Instagram story. So in earlier versions of Instagram, adding a link in your story required a certain number of followers, but now they've made it possible for anyone to include a link in their story. So keep watching this video to figure out exactly how you can add a link in your story to your website or your YouTube channel. This method works for both Android and iOS devices, so if you have an iPhone, the process is pretty much the same. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So first of all, make sure your app is up to date because I am showing you this on the latest version of the Instagram app. Then, once you do that, go ahead and open up your Instagram app. And now let's add a new story. So I'm going to swipe right and choose a random image. And then you'll want to tap on this smiley face sticker looking thing. And you'll see the option to add a link to your Instagram story. If you don't see this option, just tap on this search bar up top and simply search for link. And there you go. So, back in the day, you had to have a minimum of 10,000 followers in order to add a link to your story, but now it's not a requirement anymore. So tap on this, and you can type in or paste in any URL you like, so I am simply going to paste in a link. And tap on done. And boom, it's as easy as that. You can tap on it to change how it looks. You can move it around anywhere in the story and change its size. And now I can share it with my followers. So this is basically it. That's how you add a link to your Instagram story. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please let me know in the comments section below. If not, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.